Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn some important school commands. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start with the first command. Stand up. Can you say it? Stand up.
Stand up.
Very good. Now everybody stand up. Now the next command. Sit down. Repeat after me. Sit down.
Sit down.
Well done. Now everybody sit down. Great job, class. Here's the next one. Open your books. Say it with me. Open your books.
Open your books.
Wonderful. Open your books to page 1. Okay, now the opposite. Close your books. Your turn. Close your books.
Close your books.
That's right. Close your books. Last one. This is very important. Raise your hand. Everybody say it. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Excellent. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Excellent work, everyone. You learned 5 school commands today. Stand up, sit down, open your books, close your books, and raise your hand. You're amazing students. See you next time. Goodbye, class.